welcome to my vlog. For today's video, pupunta kami sa main school ng kuya to follow up some documents. And now after
seafood pasta, then fresh tomato in here with apple pie and hot latte.
Can you add wild mushroom?
Wild mushroom.
For my drinks. What soda do you have?
Sorry.
Soda.
Here sir, one of the best sellers, Sangria, non-alcohol.
Soda.
Soda. Full Coke Zero, Royal Sprite.
Royal.
Royal. Anything else sir? That's all sir.
Cheese bread. The cheese bread.
Cheese roll.
Oh yeah, one cheese roll.
I repeat your order ma'am. One Royal, one hot latte, wild mushroom soup, small serving, fresh tomato and herb with apple pie, seafood pasta and cheese roll grilled. Anything else po? Our serving time is 15 to 20 minutes. For a moment now, discount your order.
wow, so lovely. So, paano naman guys? Sa ating video. So, hanggang sa muli. Ating pagkikita sa susunod na vlog. Pagkaroon naman guys. Para pinagpatuloy ang kasama. Thanks for watching guys. See you again next vlog. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Careful.
Bye. Mama. Say bye. Bon appetito. Eat na ko.